Push-ups are one of the most common exercises for beginners and professionals. It promises an increase in strength and muscle. However, along with it comes many mistakes. These mistakes cause me to leave potential muscle growth and strength gains on the table. I'm going to list the most common mistakes, how to fix them, and give you a bonus tip to master the push-up. A common mistake is the arm position. Too wide with flaring elbows and you may end up hurting your shoulders, and we don't want that. Many studies show that when the elbows are flared out, you get less chest activation, less tricep activation, and even less growth in strength and power. Too close and you'll be training triceps more than chest, which is okay if that was the plan. But our focus is on the traditional push-up, not the diamond push-up. To find the right position, move your arms until your wrists are positioned in line with your shoulders. If you go online and look for most optimal push-up position to grow muscle, most studies will suggest an angle of 45 degrees, although 60 degrees is also acceptable. Once you have corrected your arm position, you can start to work on your core. Yes, your core, because a weak core results in a banana push-up, and nobody likes bananas. This happens because of a lack of activation in the core, which takes a lot of tension out of the push-up. The meat of the core consists of the abdominal muscles, obliques, serratus, and lower back. And in a perfect push-up, these muscles must contract. To prevent a banana push-up, squeeze your core tightly to make sure your body is completely straight. A good cue is to tilt your pelvis backwards and squeeze your glutes. This makes the push-up a little harder to do, but is now more effective at building muscle and strength. Then we have the range of motion. Like a knock-knock joke, it is better to go through the full range of motion in a push-up before you walk away. With bodyweight exercises, it is always better to do a full range of motion and get strong through the entire joint range. This is a key technique to progress to more advanced bodyweight exercises. For beginners, I recommend not doing half reps. It would be better to use half reps if you are an intermediate or advanced athlete, where you understand how to use half reps, but that's a topic for an upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe to see it. To maintain full range of motion, simply avoid dropping your head or your hips down and make sure to do some stretching. It is important for a beginner to use a full range of motion from the top of the movement down till your chest touches the floor. The shoulders play an important role in the push-up. Do not shrug it off. I'm being serious, don't shrug. It's very common that once you start to get tired during push-ups, you start to shrug. This takes tension away from the chest and into the traps. This also takes away from stability in your pushing strength. To avoid this happening, contract your lats so you'll pull your shoulders downwards and away from your ears throughout the movement. Now a bonus tip. The secret to the perfect push-up is the speed at which you do them. We've all seen that one guy at gym class claiming to do hundreds of push-ups, but they all look like this. The speed you do a push-up can lead to all the previous mistakes. Each push-up will end up being different from the last one. This is why slow push-ups are preferred to fast ones. Quality over quantity. They allow you to avoid making the previous mistakes so that you can better focus on growing your muscle and increasing your strength. Congratulations on doing a perfect push-up. Now all you need is a powerful lower body. And the secret to that is in here.